Hello to the whole church. I will enter the second step of thinking chat. With the page, yeah. Sales via SMS. Or use the word chat for short. So I said it again. Hi everyone. So now I'm going to start the second lesson. About selling by text message. It's actually a text message sale. With the page it will. There must also be rules. Apart from that, yes. There is a sales process via text message in addition to having processes like telesolis. There must also be principles. It must, and it's imperative that people don't break these rules. It will bring me. Is to increase the conversion rate. There will be two rules here. Rule number 1. That's when we talk, people. There must be a break. Break the sentence. Down the line, down the line. Most people have a habit. That's when you chat, everybody's a bunch. A lump. And while it's text, well, when we're chatting, what is it? The downside of chat is that it's hard to express our emotions. Jack's downside is that it's extremely difficult to express emotions. That's the first one. The second one is, well, it's hard. How to turn a conversation through a message. It's naturally like talking on the phone. People have a habit of writing a lot. And write a piece and write a piece. For example, I am now writing a book. Write down. This is done. Enter a play. I always send people a piece like that. It's not emotional. It's very emotional, people. But what if now, for example, the talk to people page? The page also has a break. That's it, page break. Then the page break is kind of like going down the line. To make your text conversation natural. Then everyone has to suffer. Continuous, enter continuous. Just one word and I'll enter down the line. Enter down the line my conversation. It's like our talking. He's talking in person, and it's very friendly. It's very natural, even if the chat site. Consulting page with customers via text message conversation. Customers still commented that the way the page talks, even by text message, it's still a lot of emotions, and it's still very natural and very intimate. So let's turn the conversation around. This message is close. The second rule of the page. It's about making a habit of using icons. The current icon. More and more icons. The icon shows your emotions. Show off the things. My emotional face is very clear, and lots of icons to show you how you feel. Happy, sad, or angry, or naughty, or. And humor is all there. Or it's like laughing and crying. Then this icon. Sometimes there are many people, especially brothers and sisters. Icon is very rarely used. This one, if people don't understand, that's the advantage of the icon. Take advantage of the icon to help the sale. It's 80% of my conversations. 80% of the time, but we use very, very little. Page itself, getting in the habit of using icons is almost always 80% in any conversation. Every page has an icon. Because it shows people. The page shows your emotions. Express your thoughts and feelings through icons. Show your state at that moment. How happy and sad it all is. So, the page has only two rules when the message sales page. The first is to break it down, and even the punctuation thing, just cut the line. It's a teaching page, but it's a tutoring page. The page has been constantly reminded, but very few people can fix this habit. Because it's become a habit. Bad habits, people, and the story, make it feel stiff and it's dry, and to lead people through you. It's not going to be easy to sell. Because people don't have emotions. You all know what I sell. Decide what to buy with emotion. Yes, I decided to buy emotionally. Make purchasing decisions with emotion, and putting down money is also emotional. It's 80% of what people feel, Well, if people knew about IC, DISC is currently the component for which customers need to decide as quickly as possible, and the car is the hottest and buy the most on that social network is Group D. There are so many emotions that they decide to buy. Then there's the S dot, and finally there's the C group. This group is number 1. D is number 2, S is number BA, and for is Group C. So that's it. When we are understand the buying behavior of customers, understand and read the mind of the customer, then we'll know what we need to do when we create a sales process via text message. So here it is. These 2 principles are the 2 that everyone needs. Changes and people applications, and if people applications go, sure order conversion rate of people will increase a lot more. Here are 2 principles that people change. Let's see what my results are. Checkbox thank everyone, and the page will go into clip number BA.